In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off notifications on Temu. Notifications can be helpful, but sometimes they can be distracting or annoying. If you want to stop receiving notifications from Temu, follow these simple steps. To get started, open up the Temu app and then tap on the U button at the bottom center of the screen. Then tap on this button at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, tap Notifications. And then tap Edit on the notification you want to turn off. For example, let's turn off promotions. All you have to do next is move the slider all the way to the left, and select None. You can do this for all the notifications that Temu has. Once you've done this, you should no longer receive any notifications from Temu. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.